The scholarship workbook is designed to provide useful information on how to search and find scholarships to help reduce the overall cost of education. It is a process that requires some time and effort, but can yield great rewards in the end. The workbook is broken down into multiple sections. First, providing information on what type of scholarships are available, who awards them, and where they can be found. Helpful tips on getting started, information that you need to prepare before, some questions to ask yourself and your family, and how to maintain some records, both personally and through your guidance counselor's office. The workbook also explains how to search for scholarships, search sites to use, and some helpful tips on the way to search for scholarships, keywords, PDFs, and other phrases to use. The workbook also talks about some rules and regulations assigned with scholarship awards and how to avoid some scams that might be out there. It's important to also have a student's resume/profile and use our questionnaire to develop an extensive family profile to help conducting the searches. We hope the scholarship workbook is helpful, and you can find more information on different parts of financial aid built into the college planning portal.